Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Solo channel. Yeah, today I find something interesting on this Cadillac XT5. It's a 2017 model year. I got this car. It's a B3110. It seems like the keyless entry transmitter 2 very low. I'm not sure this is the transmitter 2, which means key fob. So I say let's erase the code. It might be like a glitch. So I did that. Let's try this. Erase. Okay, note fault code. And then escape. Rescanning. So it's sorry about the glare. It's so the body is stay in the body module. So let's see. Trouble code. Yeah, same thing. All right, I'm going to replace the battery in this key fob and then try again. Good thing about this job is like you don't need a special tool. Just get the battery ready. I think that's the part number. Yep, actually that's the part number. Okay, I have 2 left. Great. And then here's the key fob. Push this button. And then pull out the key. Okay. And then like you don't need to put the key all the way back to the same slot. About like just a little bit enough to like pry it open. Yeah, now I pried it open. You see the crack here. And then just, yeah, I want to show you why. It feels like here's what the key looked like. It was like this. I take it out. You're like stuck all the way in. You see, it will not turn. It's going back to the slot. It's just almost like here, and I can just pry it open, and it will pop out. And now I probably can use my fingernail. Nope, it is too tough. A small flathead should help. Yep, it does. And then make sure it's the same battery. Yep, CR2032. Alright, that's the old one. Let's get the new one out. And make sure it's the same battery. It is. So now it just reversed the installation. So this side, oh, let's see. Yeah, so this is the positive sign. You can see like the positive logo right there. So then face down to the housing of for the battery. I can just push it back. Yep, just snap right in. And then okay, just everything pop back right in, and then insert the key. Make sure I can unlock. Yep, it does. All right. Let's erase the code one more time.